Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video I have set up this nice cute fairy garden and I wanted to share it with you. I wanted to do a fairy garden for quite some time and I had stuff lying around, so I didn't have a theme in my mind. I just wanted to do a fairy garden, putting those stuff together. But somehow I figured that I would like a woodland and rustic look. So I have got this 1 gallon 5 liter nursery pot which I filled with multi-purpose compost, and then I have got this plastic pot put in that ceramic pot that's really nice and goes really well with this fairy garden. I have got a house in the middle which is also ceramic, and it has three colors like pink, silver and white, and those colors also intermingles really well with the color of plants and everything that I have got in this fairy garden. So I have got arborvitae branches in the backsplash, which gives it like that woodland look. So I got some arborvitae branches and I just stuck them in the soil, so hopefully they will stay nice and fresh for quite some time. And I have got two house plants put on the sides of the house. So on the left side I have got spider plant which has silvery and green foliage, a variegated foliage, and that goes really well with those arborvitae branches and the colors of the house. So, and also there is different foliage structures. So arborvitaes are like needle shaped foliage, and the spider plant has got different structure. So it has like long nice oblong leaves, and those colors really goes well with the arborvitae branches and the house colors. And on the right side I have got another house plant which is peperomia piccolobenda, and it has that reddish pinkish lines going through silvery foliage, silvery green foliage, and that silver green and pinkish reddish color also go really well with the colors of the house and the colors of other plants. And that it has got nice heart shaped leaves, so, and like more bigger leaves than arborvitae branches and spider plants. So I think all these three plants have come together really nicely, and they go really well with the house in the middle. And in the front I have got some pebbles which are like brownish silver pebbles, and it also gives the garden a rustic look because they are like different, not in order, they are like in different shapes and sizes, and I just put them randomly to cover the soil in the front, and that gives it like also like front yard look. And then I have got a swing which is made of wooden logs, and it also gives it a rustic look. And then I have got that water well which matches really well with the colors of piccolo benda and the house. And then I have talked a rock between well and the piccolo benda, peperomia piccolo benda, and that rock is like really goes well with the colors of everything. So I didn't plan much, I had few things lying around and I wanted to put them together, and I'm really pleased the way it has turned out. I couldn't have done it any better. I had some more stuff left which I wanted to put, but I am happy I didn't put that stuff in there because the way it has turned out, I think it's really cohesive and really beautiful, and everything is like it has to be there. So it is like a rustic and woodland look, I think so. And this is the stuff which is left, and that's okay. I can do another fairy garden in future and can use the other stuff. So fairy garden is basically a miniature garden with different structures and living plants like you have actually in your own garden. And it's just a flower arrangement. Basically you do a flower arrangement. It's like more than a flower arrangement, that you have living plants and some sort of structures which go really well together, and you can base them on a theme. So I try to base them on like woodland and rustic theme, and I think I have been really successful with it. So if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, as it helps me to make more videos, and click on the bell button so you receive all the notifications. Your opinion matters to us, so please leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.